I'm going to show you how to make a classic Provençal pancake called a socca. Socca is thought to have originated in northern Italy, but you'll find it all over the south of France, especially in Nice. Its typical ingredients include garbanzo or chickpea flour, salt, black pepper, cumin, olive oil, and oftentimes the addition of chopped rosemary. To make the batter, the first thing we want to do is take our dry ingredients, which are the garbanzo or chickpea flour, our salt, our cumin, and your chopped herbs if you're using them. Whisk this together. Make sure you break up any lumps. I'm going to add my liquid ingredients together, the water and the olive oil. And then I'm going to drizzle this into our dry ingredients and create a smooth batter. It's important to break up any lumps. Here I have a cast iron pan that I've heated in a 415-degree oven until it's hot. If you didn't have a cast iron pan, you could use a cake pan. I'm going to add some more olive oil. We want to make sure to coat the bottom of the pan very well. And then we're going to add our batter. While we're making one large socca here, you could also make pancake-sized socca. I'm going to place this into the oven, making sure that it goes into the top third, because the heat from the top is important to cook this properly. So you know that your socca is done when it's brown and crispy around the edges and just cooked on top. We're going to remove it from the pan. We'll cut it into wedges. You could also tear it if you wanted. Then we'll put this on a plate. And we'll drizzle with a little bit more olive oil and some cracked black pepper. While this is the most classic way to eat socca as a finger food, you could serve it with a salad or with a tapenade, enchilada, or your other favorite condiment.